On question 2, I want to show how we can use the calculator for question 1. So I've already copied down all of the information, and now I want to use a t-test with the data. So press Stat and go to Edit, and then type in the list of differences into L1, and then quit out, then press Stat again, go over to Tests, and select t-test. Make sure the input is set to data. Mu is 0. The list is L1. My frequency is 1. And this is a left-tailed test. Then press Calculate. So t is negative 6.803, and the p-value is 3.9 e negative 5. Our picture looks like this. So the p-value is less than alpha. So we reject the null hypothesis. And this is consistent with number 1.